Hello buddy, my name is ItsDestini and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix your webcam. Let's begin. Go to device manager, go to like your camera, go update driver. Okay, first of all, like you want to click on the first option. Uh, you want to go like search automatically. If that doesn't work, or like if already the latest drivers are present, you want to go to browse my computer manually. Go here, bam, and this will pretty much install the I guess the initial like the source drivers for the webcam. Bam. Okay. Okay, I mean, we're not gonna reset now because we are using the PC and we need to record. And let's see if that fixes it. Deactivate, activate. Oh, and was the glass. We fixed it, as you can see. Okay, so that actually worked, which is nice. Let me rescale this. Let's. Can I? Okay, well, let me just rescale this. Okay, so like we are. Wait, as you can see, we are back from dead boys and girls. Okay, and as you can see, the webcam is working. Also, if your webcam isn't working and you've tried downloading the latest drivers that doesn't work, then also what you can do is you can actually unplug your webcam and put it another port on your PC, switch up the ports, and it might work. It might work. Also, if your webcam is simply not working, regardless what you're trying, go to settings, go to privacy, camera, and make sure allow apps to access your camera is enabled. This is a crucial setting because if you disable this, then your camera won't be working because you're not letting OBS use the camera. Simple, easy. And now, as we can see, we've just turned it on. Now activate, deactivate, bam, bam, and we're back. We are alive. We are back from dead, boys and girls. And boys and girls, drink the tea. So yeah, well, let's actually do this. And yeah, boys and girls, those were the three main ways on how to fix your webcam. Hey, hope you enjoyed. Drop a like, subscribe. A for the gains. Look at the gains. Although ad lightning is kind of fucked. Although, yeah, boys and girls, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.